Once in a quiet village, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam loved his mobile phone more than anything else in the world. From the moment he woke up to the time he went to bed, his eyes were always on the screen playing games, scrolling through videos, and chatting with friends. His mother would often call out, "Sam, come help me with the dishes," or "Sam, go play outside with your cousins." But Sam would just mumble, "Just 5 more minutes," and stay glued to his phone. Not far from their home lived his wise old grandfather, who spent his days tending a small garden filled with colorful flowers and bright yellow sunflowers. He often watched Sam from a distance and felt sad seeing him waste his days on a glowing screen. One day, Grandpa came to visit. He smiled and said, "Sam, can I show you something?" Sam looked up, a little annoyed, but nodded. Grandpa pulled out an old, broken phone from his pocket. "Do you think you could live without this?" he asked. Sam laughed. "Of course, that thing's ancient. I don't need it." Grandpa nodded slowly, then gently said, "Good. Now let's see if you can live without your own phone." That night, Grandpa quietly took Sam's phone and hid it. When Sam woke up the next morning, he searched everywhere under the bed, in his backpack, even in the trash can. He was upset, frustrated, and almost in tears. "Where's my phone? I need it!" he shouted. Later in the afternoon, Grandpa called him outside. In his hand was a bright sunflower. "This sunflower," he said, "grows tall and strong because it gets time, light, and care. But you, my boy, you're missing the sunlight of life because you're always hiding behind the screen." Sam looked at the flower, then at his grandfather, and slowly understood. From that day on, Sam began to change. He started helping his mom, playing with his cousins, and even planting flowers with Grandpa. And yes, he still used his phone, but only a little, because now he knew that real life was far more beautiful than anything on a screen.
Moral of the story: technology is a gift, but only when used wisely. When we spend too much time on our phones, we miss out on the most beautiful parts of life: the laughter of family, the warmth of the sun, the joy of playing outside, and the love that surrounds us. Just like a flower needs sunlight to grow, our hearts need real connections to blossom. A mobile phone can give us entertainment, but it can never replace the love of our grandparents, the care of our parents, or the beauty of nature. So, take a break. Look up, talk, laugh, help, play. These are the true joys of life. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to Moral Storytime for more meaningful stories that remind us what really matters.